Hey friends, Catherine here from Catherine Pooler Designs. I'm going to give you a run through quickly of our Winter Wonders collection. We're going to start out with the Touch of Frost Slimline paper. Let's take a look at these gorgeous prints. Now in this pack, I already have used all of my striped paper. Actually, it wasn't me that used that striped paper. It was Erica. Don't tell her I blamed her. Just keep that between me and you. But here are the prints. I don't know that I can pick a favorite, you guys. They're all so beautiful. So the color palette is Pink Champagne, Hot Tub, Skylight, Tranquil, Cove Blue, and Twilight. And then our products include the Scrolling Snowflakes stamp set and coordinating dies, as well as the Winter Frames Slimline die. Here are a few cards. Here's that card that used all my patterned paper, the stripey. So pretty. I think I'm okay giving up that stripe for this card. And then we have Erin Thompson, one of our brand ambassadors, made this fabulous shaker. Pretty simple, just using that patterned paper behind here and adding snowflakes from the winter frame, and then greetings. You'll see that in a minute. Then a simple card just with some snowflakes stamped. Here's another simple card with the white embossed snowflakes and some ink blending over the top. And then this one by Christy Goulet. So I love how she just used this small little stamp, Cove Blue, Twilight, and then a vellum snowflake. Thinking of you. Absolutely beautiful. So the products here are available individually, or you can click that button to purchase the bundle and you get a discount. Next up is our Wiser bundle. It's great for a birthday card, happy birthday, another year wiser, or you can use a myriad of sentiments to make it an all occasion card. We have the Sprig Die, which was taken right from this little spray that he's sitting on. So it's the same kind of style and line art here. So they coordinate together. And then the Under My Wing cover plate, which when used this way gives the feel of feathers on a bird, or you can turn it the other way and boom, you got mountains. So versatile and fun on that cover plate. So let's look at a few cards created with this, coloring in that owl, adding a little sprig underneath him, and doing ink blending using this cover plate as a stencil, which is a great way to stretch your supplies. Here is another one that uses both owls, just on white with the cover plate, and some gorgeous ink blending with that amazing moon. Now, I created this on our YouTube Winter Wonders Cozy Cards video. I can link that in the description if you want to see how I created this, but just some Cove Blue and Tranquil and Juniper Mist on this card. So that is the Wiser bundle. These are available in a bundle at a discount, or you can pick and choose your faves. Then we have our Evergreen Woods stamp set. This is a large 6x8 with a set of layering line of trees. So this one is going to be in your lightest color, and then you can layer medium color, dark color. You could also switch these up and go medium and dark, just depending on the look you're going for. I've also done the top layer in embossing, so that looks gorgeous as well. You can also do this tree singly or use it to add to the scene. We have thank you, season's greetings, happy birthday, a beautiful star, and some tree trunks. So that has coordinating dies. And then our winter blessings. I'm hearing from you guys that you are smitten over this font. This is a fabulous holiday or winter greeting set for all of your winter card making. So let's look at a few cards. This one has some glitter and sparkle with the halo embossing glitter on this. And then two that are different shades of green. Then some more green with this beautiful pink background. Loving that. This one I created on a Facebook Live, and I added one of the animals from Wild About You. I think this stamp set coordinates perfectly with this, so you might want to pick that up to get even more mileage out of this set. And then Daniel created this one with the sentiment and just some simple snowflakes in ink blending and water flicking techniques. So this is the Evergreen Woods bundle, available a la carte or with a one click and you get a discount. And finally, our Cheerful Greetings bundle. So this is the Cheerful Greetings sentiment stamp set with the coordinating dies. The way this works is you stamp the image and then you use this die cut to cut around it. Here's white cardstock with Rockin' Red ink and Rockin' Red embossing glitter. This is the same. And then this is just some ink blending on the stamp to get an ombre effect there. So a couple different ways you can use that, but fun, kind of funky font, and then a more elegant font. And then we have the Pine Forest background stamp. So here are using those products together. Tranquil on the back, stamped it in Cove Blue, and then embossed it with Halo embossing glitter. And then the Greetings was done with Skylight ink. But with this Halo embossing glitter, when I move it in the light, it takes on different shades and colors. Then I created this card. I can link to it below. It was the YouTube winter cozy card celebration video that we did. And I added the Wiser owl and just did ink blending on the back, stamped in some of those pine cones. So the pine cones come from the Wiser stamp set, and it was made so that there's room in between the pine branches so you can stamp those pine cones. And then 2 cards by Christy Goulet and Erin Thompson, incorporating some of the other products from this release with this Cheerful Greetings sentiment set. All these products are now available in the shop, so you can click through the link below to see all of them up close and personal. Also in the shop, we have images of projects there for you for inspiration and reference. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we will see you very soon on live stream. Have a great day.